A prop is a supportive tool to assist an asana practice. It helps deepen the practice yet maintaining the alignment of the asana. Primarily, props were used for people, those who could not go deeper in an asana and needed some assistance. So there are many props that can be used. But today we are going to discuss a couple of these props to assist the asanas and see how they can be used. So before we move on to the use of prop, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our Shrishi School of Yoga YouTube channel for getting more updates from us.
So in Dhanurasana, who find it difficult to reach the toes and the ankles, the belt comes as a handy tool. So here, we are using two belts. Let's make a small loop with the belt and place it on the foot where the belt is facing towards the body. Now lie down on the abdomen and bend your knees by wrapping it around the hands. Now let us take a deep breath in and lift your chest and thighs off the floor. And pull the belt towards the body, and as you exhale, push the toes away from the body. Ensure that the toes are not touching each other and are hip width apart or a little more than hip width apart. Hold for a few moments. Deeply inhale and exhale. Listen to your own body. As you exhale, gently release the asana, bringing the thighs, chest and the chin on the floor. Let go of the belt. Sit and get ready for the second asana. The second asana that we are going to do today is the Gomukhasana to understand the use of belts. Sit comfortably in Dandasana. Bend your right leg at the knee joint and place the right foot on the outside of your left buttock so that the right knee is over and above the left knee. Adjust the buttocks so that both the buttocks and sitting bones are resting on the floor. Bend the other knee and place the left foot and the heel on the outside of right buttock. Hold the belt in your right hand and bring your arms in line with the shoulder. Internally rotate the left arm and bring your left hand behind the back. Now take the right hand towards the ceiling, the arm directly over the elbow. Bend the right elbow and catch the belt with the left hand. Now, gently, holding the belt with the left hand, pull it towards the ceiling. Take a deep breath in and with each exhalation, push the right hand towards the ceiling, pushing the left hand towards the shoulder. And gently keep breathing. Gently leave the belt from the left hand. Breathe in. Release your right hand. Exhale. Bring your arm down. You may repeat on the other side. Third asana we are going to do is the Paschimottanasana. So let's sit in Dandasana and bend your knees. Place the middle part of the belt on the soles of the feet so that the belt is covering the balls of the feet. Gently straighten your knees, holding the belt loosely so it is allowed to spread out. Wrap the belt around your hands and pull it towards the body. Lengthen the spine as you breathe in. As you exhale, you start pulling the belt towards your body. Maintain the spine in the erect position while you're bending forward. Feel the stretch on the hamstring. Stay in this position and breathe deeply. With each exhalation, pull the belt towards the body and hold the position and try to bend forward. Relax in the posture, keeping the back straight. And gently loose out the belt. You may gently come up and let go of the asana.
So the next prop that we are going to use is the yoga block. A yoga block is used in asanas where it's difficult to reach because of the lack of flexibility. A yoga block can be used in 3 different lengths. This is the longest length, the medium length and the shortest length. Depending upon the individual capacity and flexibility of a person, the 3 different lengths can be used. Sometimes we need to use more than a single block to perform an asana. So here let us see the use of a prop or use of a yoga block while doing Trikonasana.
Stand erect in Tadasana with the arms by the side of the body. Increase the distance between your feet about 3 feet apart. Place the block on the outside or in front of the left foot with the tallest length. Now, turn the left foot outside 90 degrees, the right foot 15 degrees inside, making sure that if you pass a line from the left heel, it passes the center of the right foot. Now pull the navel in, straighten the pelvic, take a deep breath in, raise your arms in line with the shoulders. Once again breathe in, exhale, slide your upper body towards the left side. Stay there. Once again breathe in. As you exhale, you gently bend to the left side and place the left hand on top of the left block if possible, and the right hand towards the ceiling with the fingers pointing the ceiling. Make sure both the arms in one line. Now if you find it difficult to place the hand on the block, you can place an additional block and place the hand over it. Stay in the asana, keep breathing. Gently, as you breathe in, lift yourself up. As you exhale, you gently bring the arms down. Relax. Bring the legs back. You can also do it on the other side. The second asana that we are going to do is the Hasta Padasana. That explains the use of yoga block in another way. Stand erect. Now place the yoga block in front of the feet, about half foot distance away from the feet. The distance between the feet is hip width apart, arms by the sides of the body, the navel pulled in. As you breathe in, raise your arms all the way towards the ceiling, your biceps touching the ears. As you exhale, you gently bend forward from the waist, keeping your back straight. And slowly and gradually keep going down and gently rest your hands on the blocks. Stay there. Keep breathing. Make sure your back is straight. If the need be, you may gently bend your knees a little bit. Drop your head in this position. Relax in the asana. Keep breathing. You can also use this block by placing it at the medium length. Or if you're a little more flexible, you can also keep it flat at the lowest length of the block. Now as you breathe in, you gently lift your arms up and the body up. And as you exhale, bring your arms down. Now moving on to the ball. Wall is another prop that is used to go deeper in an asana yet maintaining a proper alignment. Here, let's take an example of Trikonasana against a wall to ensure that the body remains in alignment, yet maintaining the posture. So stand about half foot in front of the wall. Now gently place the buttocks on the wall and the back on the wall. Increase the distance between the feet about 3 feet. Turn the left foot outside 90 degrees, the right foot inside 15 degrees. Now ensure both the buttocks are resting on the wall and the arms and the back and the shoulder is resting on the wall. Breathe in, raise your arms in line with the shoulders, making sure that the arms, the shoulders and the head and the buttocks are all still resting on the wall. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, slide your upper body towards the left side. Once again, breathe in. Exhale, gently bend towards the left side, ensuring that the shoulders, the back, the buttocks are all resting on the wall. This gives you a correct alignment of the posture. Stay there, keep breathing. Take a deep breath in, lift your arms up. Exhale, bring your arms down. Relax. Let's see another asana, the Sarvangasana. So place your mat closer to the wall or just touching the wall. Now move on towards the edge of the wall by placing the buttocks close to the wall. Gently slide yourself down to one side. Now make sure both the buttocks or the sitting bones are gently pressed against the wall. Or if not touching the wall, at least very close to the wall. Slowly, with the help of the feet, gently walk your feet towards the wall, making them all the way straight so that your lower back is resting on the floor and the feet are resting on the wall. Now in this position, bend your knees and place the feet against the wall at a 90 degree or approximately 90 degree from the wall. Now take a deep breath in and lift your buttocks off the floor by pushing the feet against the wall. You may gently take the feet a little upwards. Place your hands behind the back, supporting your back with the hands. Bring your elbows close to each other as much as possible. Try to move your hands towards the upper back as much as possible. If you wish, you can also come on your toes and push your pelvic a little away from the wall. Now, slowly lift one leg up and then the other leg up and alternate. You can also keep the leg straight on the wall. Doing the Sarvangasana with the wall support. As you exhale, gently bring the legs down and slowly bring the buttocks on the floor. And slowly, with the help of the feet, we gently walk down the wall. And taking help of the hands, you may gently sit.
So as you have seen that a prop can be a very useful tool to go deeper in an asana yet maintaining the alignment. So if you found this video to be interesting and you want to explore a little more in detail about how to use these props, you can learn the same on our Shri Shri School of Yoga teacher training course, the details of which are given in the description below. Thank you.